guys, welcome to another episode of the Apps and Games of the Week. The first game that I am going to show you guys today is actually the game called Photon. So let me open this up. Once you open up Photon, you have two different game modes. You have Classic and Arcade. But when you just install this game, there is only 10 tries for the arcade mode. If you have more tries, you got to purchase it through the Android Play Store. So I'm going to back this up and show you guys the gameplay with the classic mode. So once you launch up the classic mode, you actually teach you how to play the game. As you can see, it teaches you that you got to combine all the greens to destroy them. So the green things are actually called plate. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to play the game. So you basically got to have 3 or more of the same color to get rid of them. You can even tilt your phone to change the direction of the plate going to, maybe tilt the direction of the plate falling down. So basically just got to drag all of them together, 3 or more of them together to destroy them. So anyway, this is the game called Photon. I hope you guys like it. So the next game that I am going to show you guys right now is actually the game called Samurai versus Zombie. So I'm going to open it up right now. Once you open up Samurai versus Zombie, you have options, control, and options, start game, and other games. So I'm going to start the game to show you guys how the game is being played. So once you start the game, you have a shop whereby you can purchase item, which I'm going to skip it. So let me show you guys the gameplay. So let's wait for it to load. So you can choose your allies. So maybe if I choose these 3, will appear below. So anyway, I'm going to start the game. The abilities, you can choose it. So and the charms, whereby I will put the power. And so basically you can control by tapping left and tapping right. This guy in the middle will actually attack by its own. So it's automatically it will automatically attack the zombie. This part over here is actually the place where you got to defend, and here is the place where you summon your allies. So I'm going to summon 3 of them, and this is the special ability. So let me go to the front. So as you can see, it will automatically attack the enemies. So you press on one of the ability, you actually actually launch the ability or cast the ability. So you can pick up items that is being dropped by the enemies. Your health bar is actually located at the top of the screen. You can summon them again if you want to, and this is the ability that you have. So okay, as you can see, the allies will actually help you to fight the enemy. As you can see, so it's actually a pretty fun game. So yeah. So anyway, this is the game called Samurai versus Zombie Defense. I hope you guys like this game. So the next game that I'm going to show you guys is actually the game called Temple Run. Once you open up Temple Run, it should look something like this. So this is very similar to the Temple Run that you play on your friends, maybe iPhone and all those. So Temple Run is finally available on the Android platform. I'm going to show you guys how to play the game. It has a store, which I don't think it works right now because I can't purchase the thing with my coins. So anyway, I'm going to start the game and show you guys the gameplay. It's very identical to the iOS version, whereby you can jump and collect all the coins, and yeah. As you can see, if you have played Temple Run before, this is not something that is very weird to you, because I think you are very experienced with it. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, so this is the game called Temple Run, which I'm going to try to okay, never mind. So anyway, this is the game called Temple Run, which I think most of you guys will know what this game is. The next app that I'm going to show you guys is actually the app called Floating Image. So once you launch it up, it will look something like this. So you can swipe here and there to look at all your image. So basically, this app allows you to view all your image. You will actually take all the image in your phone and make it into a floating type of user interface whereby you can see all your photos. As you can see, you can even tap on it to enlarge it. So maybe you want to see this photo, tap on it and enlarge it. Maybe I'll see this, tap on it and enlarge it, and many more. So you can even select this as wallpaper. Let me show it to you guys. You go tap under your menu, wallpaper, live wallpaper, and under floating image, set it as wallpaper, and you have a floating image at your background, as your live wallpaper, as you can see. Sadly, when you change your screen, you don't really change the live wallpaper at the back. So anyway, this is the app called Floating Image. I hope you guys like it. So the last app that I am going to show you guys today is actually the app called Note Everything. So let me open this up. Once you open up Note Everything, it will look something like this. As you can see, it's very plain. To add a note is very simple. Just tap onto the plus sign on the top of the screen and basically choose the type of note that you want to do. So you have text mode, paint mode, and many more. So I'm going to show you guys the text note. Since I think most of the users will actually use the text note instead of paint and everything else. So you can name your note by choosing the top one, and you can type in your note by typing over here, and to save it is very simple, just back all the way. So your notes is being saved over here. To actually delete your note is very simple, so just tap onto it and you can delete it. You can even share your note by opening up the note, and there will be a share function over there. So anyway, this is the app called Note Everything. I hope you guys like it. So this is the end of the apps and games of the week. I know some users have problems scanning the QR code on my videos, so I will try to improve it by changing the website that I get my QR code from, and hopefully you guys will be able to scan it. So anyway, this is the end of this week episode, and I hope to see you guys in my next week video.